Hi folks, and welcome to this new video. My name is Jacopo and I'm one of the founders of Dokin. So what is Dokin? Dokin is an extension for your Google Workspace that allows you to build insightful reports in seconds by connecting data from external application to Google Slides, Google Sheets, and Google Docs. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to connect Airtable data to your Google Sheets in a matter of seconds. So first things first, I'm going to show you how you can get Dokin. From the Extensions tab, you can look on Add-ons, Get Add-ons. You will be redirected to the Google Workspace Marketplace, and you just need to type Dokin. You click on Install, and once you have done that, you'll be able to find the Dokin extension from the Extension tab and start it as a sidebar from the Start button. So here I want to connect my Google Sheets, my spreadsheet, with my project tracker on Airtable. So with the Dokin add-on on my side, I'm going to click on Import New Data, and I'm going to select the application source, in this case, Airtable. Now that I have done that, since it's my first time connecting to Airtable via Dokin, I'm going to click on the Connect button. I'm redirected to this authorization page from Airtable, where I can select the bases that I want to connect. So I'm gonna click on the Add Base button. And in this case, sorry, I'm just gonna move this. In this case, I want to choose whether I want to give access to all the current and future bases. That's what we recommend, or just the specific project tracker. So in this case, I'm going to select all the current and future bases, and then I'm going to click on Grant Access. So now that this is done, I'm redirected back to my spreadsheet, and I can select the base that I want to connect. So in this case, the project tracker, and the specific table from that base. So in this case, I want to pull the tasks, timelines, and ACMEs. I can now choose whether I want to refresh on a weekly or daily basis my spreadsheet. In this case, I'm going to keep it manual, so I'm select None, and I can now click on Import. Dokin is doing the job, and as you can see now, it has imported a table that is a link to my my Airtable with all the details of my project tracker. And so let's suppose now that, for example, my sign design contract that is marked as complete was to be delayed. And so it was entered as delayed in Airtable. If I click on the button refresh, since I'm on manual refresh, this is going to be automatically updated. So as you can see, Dokin has pulled the latest version of my data. So that's it. With Dokin, you can build insightful reports in a matter of seconds. And that was our connection with Airtable. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to share it with a friend. Thank you very much.